Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to talk about how do we know that our link has been added onto any of the blogs through these backlinks. Now in the last video, we have clearly discussed, right, how we can find the directory submission list, and inside the directory how we can submit the form by including the anchor text, URL name and email. Now quickly I want to navigate to that website, and here we can clearly see that in the marketing internetdirectory.com we have clearly added the title, URL, description, meta keywords, meta description, name and email, and even we have selected the category. So how are we going to understand that the details that we have filled, whether our link has been added onto any of the blogs through this backlinks? So the very first thing is confirmation. So what confirmation that I'm talking about? Now inside this particular directory, as soon as we click on continue, we will be getting the confirmation acknowledgement, and that is one of the way that we understand, alright, the details that we have filled here has been submitted. And on the website we clearly see the regular links, the option that we have chosen. It will probably take 8 to 10 weeks of time to get approved, and once they have been approved, onto their blogs they will add the anchor text wedding photography in Hyderabad, and if someone clicks on this particular anchor text, they will be redirected to the click and capture studio. And first thing is the website confirmation. In the directory we can get the confirmation right after we click on continue. So what would be the second way? Manual check. What do I mean by that? Now when it comes to this particular directory, here it clearly says after 8 to 10 weeks of time. So that after 8 to 10 weeks of time, what I'll be doing, I will be navigating to the Google search engine, and then in the Google search engine I will be searching for marketinginternetdirectory.com, and I will also search for clickandcapturestudio.com. I want to use these two keywords. When I use these two keywords, maybe through this combination, if any blog has been written in marketinginternetdirectory.com, we will be able to see that blog. That is the second way, the manual checking using the Google search engine. And then the third one is the directory check. When I say directory check, always remember that in few of the directories, when we navigate to the particular website, we will be able to see the live links which are currently active. Whenever they submit a blog, they will be posting the details right in the directory page. So that is going to be the third way. Maybe in this particular website we are not able to see that information, but some of the directories, they will even include the feature where we can see the live links. That is one of the method. Now quickly I want to navigate to the notepad, and then the fourth one is contact support. So in order to know that our link has been added to any of the blogs through this backlinks, in the appropriate directory we have to find if there is any menu with the name contact. So we have to click on the contact, and then we have to ask them by giving the details. We can give the anchor text or maybe the name, email and few of the things, and we can ask them, can you please check and let me know if any blog has been submitted using our details, so that they will let us know. That is one of the method. And quickly I want to navigate to the notepad, and the fifth way is check back after a few days. So in this particular website we can clearly see, right, the review usually takes 8 to 10 weeks of time, but in other directories we may not even be able to see the time span. So when we don't know the time span, that is the time for each and every maybe 3 to 4 days of time or 1 week of time, 2 weeks of time, we have to frequently come and we have to check. Either it can be on the directory or it can be on the Google search engine results page. And the next way is going to be the backlinks tool. We have to use the backlinks tool. There are few backlinks tool like SEMrush, Moz and so on. We have to make a use of the backlink tool, and then we will understand the details about the backlinks. And in the future videos I will be clearly explain you on how we can make a use of the backlink tools. And final way is analytics. We do have the Google Analytics, right, which I have not taught yet, but I will take the classes very soon and I will post them. So using the Google Analytics, we will be able to define where the traffic is coming. If there is a sudden hike in the traffic, then we can understand, alright, we can observe one of the backlink from where we are getting the referrals to our website. So Google Analytics is one of the way that we can understand if our link has been added onto any of the blogs through these backlinks. And if you have any questions, I want you to comment down below this video, and I will answer to each and every one of your questions. And by the way, if you want to learn digital marketing completely for free, I want you to get all of those videos in my playlist Digital Marketing in Edurself YouTube channel. And also do not forget to share my channel to your friends and family so that even they can learn the digital marketing completely for free. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.